Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Psychoanalysis. The psychoanalysis, you have something known as a segment. Psychoanalysis is a segment Freud. What is Sigmund Freud? Who is Sigmund Freud? He is nothing but the father of the psychoanalysis. So now going by the definition of psychoanalysis, it is nothing but a system of the psychological theory. System of psychological theory and the theory that aims to treat the mental conditions. So mental conditions are treated and by investigating the interactions of conscious. So interaction of the conscious and the unconscious. The conscious and the unconscious elements. So you have the treating the mental conditions by investigating the interaction of conscious and the unconscious elements in the mind. So in the mind and bringing the repressed fears and bringing the repressed fears and the conflicts. Bring the repressed fears and the conflicts into the conscious mind. This is by techniques. Such as the dream interpretation as the free association. The dream interpretation and the free association. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.